Hello, in this video we will talk about to make a tidy data using tidyr in R. So first we will say what is tidy data. Tidy data, which means each row represents a single observation. So for data object, it's quite clear. It is not same as a row, for example, from Excel spreadsheet, because Excel spreadsheet usually collects an object according to, for example, one person. So there are several variables, multiple variables for this person, for each row. So this is usually not tidy data. In the tidy data, each row only represents a single observation, only a single data. And each column in a tidy data frame or table represents a variable. So next we go to RStudio, maybe to make it more clear to understand what is tidy data. So first we have to load library tidyr and the tibble. Or you can just load the library called tidyverse, because tidyverse is a very big package including tidyr, including dplyr. Or you can just load the library dplyr. So because we use a function called collect, gather, and spread two function, they included in each of these package. But anyway, you have to install this package first for the tidyverse or dplyr. So first we create a table with 4 columns. So you can see patient, month 0, month 3, month 6, and this data that we can see this is something like a BMI data for the person, for patient, and for months. So these patients in each month have BMI data. Each person has 3 BMI data for each month. Is this a tidy data? So for example, if we want to make data for machine learning, this is not a tidy data because each person, each patient, each row contains 3 BMI data, right? And actually, also in this table contains information from 3 kinds of variable. The first is people, a patient. Second is months. And the third is the BMI. So 3 variable, but we have 4 columns. So 3 variable should have 3 columns. So this is not a tidy data. Then we can use a function called gather. Gather will make this form to a tidy form, which is called a long form. So long form is each row contains only one observation, and each column is the variable. So here we will use gather. Then first argument is this data, or we say this is the not tidy data, or this is a wide format data. This is wide format data. Then we create 2 variables called key is months, value is BMI. Because then we use a tilde patient. So what this means, tilde patient means this variable is a variable. So from this table, this wide form or this untidy data, this variable will be kept in the tidy data form. And other data will be gathered to the tidy form. So the months will be gathered to the key, and BMI data will be gathered to the value. So run this and we show now the data form. So you can see BMI, all the value data collected into BMI column, BMI variable, and all the months data collected in, all the key data collected into the months, right? So what, not tidy data, and if we use a gather function, R will know the key means the variable excluding patient, so all other variables represent a key. And then in the table, in the untidy data table, all values are values. So they will be connected to the BMI, and all the key variables will be gathered together to the months. So this is the tidy form data. You can see each row represents observation. So patient A in the month 0 have the value 21. Patient B, month 0, have the value 17, and so on. And each column is variable. So 3 variables in this data has 3 columns. And you can also use alternative options. For example, we use gather, patient data, key is months, value BMI, then we do not use tilde patient, we just use month 0 to month 6. So R knows that these months will be gathered into one column. So the result is the same. And you can also use gather this data, and key is months, value is BMI. Then we use C function, C month 0, month 3, month 6. It has the same effect as this format. So we get the same results. Then someone may be asking that how to transform back from this tidy data to the untidy form. Yeah, we have a function called spread. Spread using this tidy data, then key is months, value is BMI, same as this setting. So the R knows that months will be transformed back to the key of the variables, and BMI will transform back to the value part in the untidy data. So we run this, and the result is actually the original table we created. So this is a wide form because each person has several variable information, several observation data here. Thanks for watching.